Hi, this is Dr. Roger Murphy, theFibroDoctor.com, author of Treating and Beating Fibromyalgia and Chronic Fatigue Syndrome. I'd like to share some exciting information with you about my new Treating and Beating Fibromyalgia.com membership site. This site allows me to share information that I've put together over the last 14 years specializing in fibromyalgia and share that information with members so that they too have the opportunity to take this cutting edge research and clinically proven material and put it into their life in the quest for reversing their symptoms associated with fibromyalgia. My practice, which is 90% phone consults, allows me to work with the medical misfits around the world. And because of that, because I've helped patients deal with so many different symptoms, all the symptoms that go with fibromyalgia, and I've done it using natural methods, it allows me to have a different perspective on the illness. You know, as you go through life with fibromyalgia, you encounter one stupid doctor after the next. Sorry, I just call it like I see it. But unfortunately, you know this, there's many doctors out there who think you're either lazy, crazy, or suffering from a Prozac deficiency, and they don't know what to do with you. Because I've been in the trenches with fibromyalgia patients for the last 14 years, that's what I specialize in, I understand what you're going through. And more importantly, I know how to help you in your quest to reverse your fibromyalgia and get your life back. And you do that not by taking one more drug after another. Drugs don't make you healthy. The only way to reverse your fibromyalgia symptoms is to get healthy. Yes, there's a time, there's a place for certain medications, and sometimes it's your only option. But to beat fibromyalgia, you got to get healthy. And so in my membership site, I've got over 30 different audios that go into the details about the protocols that I have successfully used with my patients over the last 14 years. The membership site allows me to share information that I can never share in a book or a 30-minute teleconference. It allows me to give you the information on a updated basis. New protocols, new audios, new webinars, new written reports are added every week. It also allows me to set aside time for the members to do one-on-one group Q&A teleconference where I can take your question and go into detail about what you need to do step by step, whether that's what labs you need to get or how to interpret those labs, what medications are actually causing problems in your case, what medications you may have to stick with for a while until you start feeling better. These Q&A sessions that I do are available only to members in the teleconferences that I offer each month to the membership site. So look at the information on treatingandbeatingfibromyalgia.com. See how by just joining for a very nominal fee, you can have access to all the material that I've put together over the last 14 years. And not only do you have this material there, but one of my strengths, thank goodness, I think, is that I'm able to put together this information in an easy to understand format. Not a lot of doctor talk. I mean, you don't need that. You need someone who can talk to you and explain it in a way that you understand it. And I've learned to do that over the years because, you know, many of the patients that I work with have fibro fog. They don't think very clearly anyway. They need things laid out to them in a very simple approach. And at the same time, I don't want to talk down to patients because I think fibromyalgia patients are very educated about their illness. I mean, they oftentimes know more about their illness than their doctors do. Most doctors don't understand anything about fibromyalgia. They certainly don't know how to treat it. So I encourage you to check out treatingandbeatingfibromyalgia.com and find out how, by joining my membership site at a nominal fee, you're able to start putting together the pieces, the protocols, and things you need to do to help you get your life back. This is Dr. Roger Murphy, author of Treating and Beating Fibromyalgia and Chronic Fatigue Syndrome. Looking forward to hearing your questions on the membership call-in programs in the near future.